Here I have HTC M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the more, mobile network sharing, portable hotspot. Okay, here you can switch a hotspot. Here you can okay, so you can change its settings only when it's turned off. You can change its name, you can change its password, you can manage users, you can set up maximum amount of connections, you can enable allowed users only, so basically you can add users to the whitelist. In the advanced, you can also hide networks as SID. You can select security protocol, you can select Wi-Fi frequency band selection and power mode. You can turn off your hotspot if nobody is connected for 5 or 10 minutes. So yeah, and you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.